Good morning and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Looking back on this pour that I did without talking through it, just was trying out some stuff using a previously poured canvas. This is a large gallery wrapped canvas, and what I'm pouring on it is the lovely global metallics. So what I have there was the globe metallic copper and metallic bronze, and now the gold. I'm going to do a swipe, like a Kathleen Osmore kind of inspired swipe. So if you haven't seen Kathleen Osmore, pop over to Kathleen's channel. She's an awesome artist and does the most amazing swipes. So I was just wanting to do something on this big gallery wrapped canvas because I've been asked to do a swipe in metallic. So here you go, I'm getting down and dirty and doing the swipe in the lovely metallics. So I'll let you have a little watch at the magic before your eyes. So enjoy. I'll jump back in soon. Yes, just now going over the metallic with the Amsterdam titanium white mixed with floetrol. I just keep it in a bottle mixed with floetrol. It just gives beautiful lacing, and the Amsterdam paint mixed with anything actually gives you lacing too. It must be something about the Amsterdam. It's really lovely lace. Lovely lace. Now there's not real close-ups on this, but that lace that's appearing before the very eyes is really gorgeous, and I will bring the camera down in a few minutes and you will see lovely lace. Some gorgeous cells popping up out of that. So it's just basically swiping down with a card, just an ordinary bits of cardboard that I've cut up from the canvas covers. So it was fun to do, and trying to think of where to layer those metallics was just trying to work out in your head where you wanted colours to pop up. But hope you're enjoying, so keep watching. very happy with this. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. It's funny how these swipes just really sell to go in modern homes. Obviously they can, the colours that are in there could basically go in any home whatsoever. It turned out really gorgeous, and I'll be giving you some, bringing the camera down right now to give you some close-ups. Here we go. And here is the finished swipe. It is just a great big old swipe, a basic swipe to create an awesome abstract with metallics. And look at those gorgeous cells. Basically they're created from Amsterdam paint mixed with floetrol, but even the US floetrol mixed with Amsterdam paints, there's something in the Amsterdam that creates awesome cells even without the floetrol, if you haven't got that. But look at that, just beautiful. This will shine onwards, a nice big piece of art. So this piece will sell well, believe it or not. This is what sells before anything else. So glad you joined me on this little journey, and thank you so much once again. Let me know what you think of my abstract swipe. They're the in thing. Enjoyed doing it. Until tomorrow, my friends, you please take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay warm if you're anywhere else but Australia, and if you're in Australia, stay cool. Bye. Bye, and be back tomorrow.